Hi everyone, my name is Kelvin. I'm here now in this video. I'm going to talk to you about how do we use the subtotal feature as a continuation from our previous video, which is called the sorting. Okay, so how are we going to have a quick summary, not a report, just a quick summary based on the sorting level that we have. So let me just show you the file that I have prepared. So this is the same database that we are using in our previous video where we talk about sorting. Now in this video, I want to show you how do we do multiple level of sorting. And after having the multiple level of sorting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the feature in Microsoft Excel called the subtotal to help us prepare a quick summary. So let's go right into it. Now, first of all, I need to arrange my data. So I want to arrange according to segment, manager, and the net profit. So let me show you what I mean by this. I'm going to click on this sorting. This is called a custom sort, or I can just right click, go to the sort or custom sort. I can use it either way. Yeah? So in the previous video, I used the right click, sorting, custom sort. But now I would like to use this button. You will notice that the screen that appears is about the same. I mean, it is the same, in fact, right? So I want to have multiple level of sorting. So I click on this sort by. First, I want to go by segment, and I want to choose A to Z. Right, then I will click on this button called add level. So by adding level, which means after they have sorted the customer segment, then the second level will be the manager. So then by, I will choose the sales manager, A to Z. Then I'll add another level and I say, let's go to the net profit, but arrange it from the largest to smallest. So I will have the hierarchy of my sorting this time. I'm just going to do it in a single screen and I can have many more if I want to. Right now, I'm just settled with these three. So I'm going to click OK. Now, if you look at my data, you will notice that this is the consumer group. This is the first level. And in each of these segment, my managers, the sales managers are also sorted according to order. And in every manager, there will be the highest value at the top. So if I scroll down to the last crease, you'll notice that the value is the smallest. And if I start off a new manager, the value is the highest again, but they are in the same segment. So and it goes on and on and on till the end. Now, what can we do with this sorting? Let me tell you, we can use some very neat and very productive feature called subtotal in our Microsoft Excel. Now, all you need to do is just make sure you go to the ribbon called data. In this data ribbon, what you do is you go to right at the end, you will see there is this button called subtotal. Okay, there's this button called subtotal, which I'm going to use in this segment. So I'm going to click this. I can click anywhere in my data now. I can just click subtotal. So we are going to read this from top to bottom. This is how it goes. At each change, now my first level of sorting was actually customer segment. So I want to start with the first level. At each change in, I will choose customer segment. I'm planning to use the function called sum and add a subtotal to the net profit. Now, if I'm using the function sum, I can only sum when there is a number. So net profit is a number, but product name is not a number. So I won't be able to sum the alphabet in product name. So I'm going to uncheck this. So I'm done. I'm okay with the setting. I'm ready to go. So I'm going to click OK. Now it looks like nothing happened, but if you look properly on the left-hand side of your screen, just before your row header, you will find that on your screen, there will be a gray color line. And if I slowly move to the top, I will be able to see the button 1, button 2, and button 3. I will be able to see this. Okay, so what's happening here? I'm looking at button number 3, which is level 3. It will be showing all the data. But if I click level 2 now, the button number 2, it's showing me the subtotal of each group. Fantastic, right? I don't even need to pen out the formula. It's done for me. Right? So that's how quickly it can be done. And the best part here is that it actually doesn't open up all the detail. If you want to look at corporate, there are 345,000 and you want to look at all the details for corporate, you can just click the plus symbol and it opens up the detail. So that's the beauty of this particular feature. And you can click number 2 again, they will collapse. They will collapse the data again. Now, I feel that this is not enough. Then I would like to break down, let's say for consumer, it's 115,000, 199,066 cents. I would like to break this down according to the sales manager. So I want to know in consumer segment, how well did each of the sales manager perform? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform the second subtotal to address the issue. So I can click anywhere in my database now. I click subtotal. So let's read from top to bottom now. I've done for my first level. Now I'm going for my second level, which means from the top, I'll say at each change in, this time I'll scroll down slightly to look for the sales manager. Then I will read through. Use the function sum at a subtotal to net profit. Now that's exactly the same thing that we're going to do. However, we are not going to click OK yet because of this option. So if you look at this option, it says that we are going to replace the current subtotal if we click OK. Now, my intention is to have another level where I can see the breakdown. I have no intention to replace it. So I'm going to uncheck this. Once I'm done, I just click OK. Then you will notice that for each of the consumer total, it has been broken down into 4 sales manager here. And if you would like to see an individual performance like Erin, it's 26,998.36, and you would like to see all the transaction that belongs to Erin, you can click the plus symbol, the second plus symbol, because Erin is number 2 in this list. There you go. The details of Erin only. If you look at the screen now on the top, it's no longer 1, 2, and 3, but you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 this time. So you can go through the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 as you wish. Just do that. Now, one last tip. If you think that, okay, everything is fine, I have done everything that I need here, so what do I do next? I want to remove them. All you need to do is go back to the subtotal. Remember to click inside your database, go to the subtotal, just look out for this button down here called, look down here called remove all. So if you do that, remove all, it's back to normal. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification so for the next video. So thank you so much. All right. See you soon in the next video.